So last week I decided to try ChatGPT services, and guess what? I actually made $1,000 in just 7 days. I couldn't believe it myself, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. So here's the thing, I've been messing around with ChatGPT for a while, trying some different ways to make some extra cash online. I've seen people talk about it, but I always thought, is it really possible? So last week I decided to test things for real. I spent few hours setting things up, and honestly I was super nervous. I wasn't sure if I would make anything out of it, but I just went for it. So the first thing I did was to pick a service that people actually need, and at this point I'll be going with social media caption writing. And why I selected this particular service is because it's on high demand and it didn't require any fancy skills to start up, right? So after that, I have to use ChatGPT to create ready to use content for small businesses, things like social media posts, emails, or blog articles, right? Now let's take this for example. I asked ChatGPT to write 10 product description for an online shop, right? And it gave me polished client ready drafts in a minute, right? And here is the cool part. I didn't need any special skills. All I did was to tell ChatGPT exactly what I needed, and it generated the work for me. If you want, I can make a separate video showing you the exact prompt I used. All you have to do is just to comment yes on the comment section, and I will do it immediately. So once I'm done with the prompt, next I needed clients. I started small. I posted my service on Fiverr, Upwork, and even some Facebook groups. Now I have to tell you this. Here's the trick. Focus on people who need content fast. Like business owners love ready-made posts, or emails, because it saves them time. Within the first 2 days, I already got my first order, and that motivated me to keep going. But I have to tell you this, even if you are shy about selling, all you have to do is just to start with small jobs, and trust me, you will gain confidence fast. So once I had a couple of clients, I realized I could scale super fast. I just reused my prompt, changed a few details, and deliver more content in less time. Now let me tell you, ChatGPT literally did most of the work for me. Instead of me charging per hour, I created small packages, something like 10 posts for $50, 5 productive description for $75, something like that. And clients love it because they see the value upfront. And with this strategy, I was able to sell multiple packages in single week, and that's how I hit $1,000 in 7 days. And honestly, the best part is that I barely did any heavy lifting. So if you want, I can show you the exact setup I used to get clients and deliver work in under 10 minutes. So that's how I made $1,000 in a week using ChatGPT. The key is pick something people need, use ChatGPT to save time, and start small. Now if you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how I landed my first client and use ChatGPT to create their work, hit that like button and subscribe.